Hello, a warm welcome to you from SGT University. I am Varun Kumar Vats, Faculty of Hotel and Tourism Management. Today, we will be learning about cleaning procedure of gym, health club, swimming pool, steam and sauna.
Put one person in charge of cleaning. Inspect the health club regularly to make sure the cleaning schedule is being followed. Monitor and order more supplies, and follow up with any staff person who is not fulfilling his or her responsibilities. Make sure everyone participates in keeping the gym area clean. Closing staff will be responsible for vacuuming various parts of the club. Trainers can wipe down equipment during the slower afternoon hours, and the entire staff needs to make sure the club is not messy. There is a big difference between messy and dirty. Dirty means the floors have not been vacuumed, the shower stalls have soaps, scum in them, and there is dust on the equipment frames. Messy means someone threw a paper towel on the floor. There is water all over the sink top, or dumbbells have not been racked. Hold staff members accountable. If something did not get done, then find out why opening person came in Monday morning to find that the club obviously had not been cleaned throughout the night. Before, then check with the night shift. Cover cleaning procedures during new hire training. We have to include instructions on what cleaning solutions to use for which job, how to use the vacuum, where we keep the cleaning supplies, etc. All these basic questions can be asked from a person when he comes for the interview for gym, health club, swimming pool or steam and sauna. Develop detailed checklists for each part of the hotel health club. Get staff members involved in this process. They may think of things a manager did not, and if they have participated in the process, they are more likely to buy into making this all work. If everyone works at it a little each day, department facility will be consistently clean the area. Reception area of hotel, health club and gym. It is a prospective member's first impression of health club. It should be vacuumed more than once a day. All surfaces should be wiped down multiple times a day. Daytime staff cleans before they leaves. So the club is clean not just when we open, but also for the evening members who arrive at 5 p.m. Locker rooms, the hardest area to keep clean by far. Wet areas need monitoring throughout the day. Did the water aerobics class leave pools of standing water on the tiles? It needs to be mopped up. Weighing room. This area has some unique challenges. Vacuuming or mopping might require moving and lifting heavy weights. If a staff member who cannot lift these weights, then a manager needs to account for this in your cleaning schedule. Here is a tip. Take a few minutes to show your staff how the attachments on the vacuum work so they can get into and around small areas as well. Swimming pool cleaning. The treated water, heat, and humidity make this another area where cleanliness is a constant battle. A lot of the cleaning and the pool area might have to be done before or after closing. Team cannot have swimmers in the pool when we are vacuuming the pool water body area. Take preventive measures. The only thing that can be brought out onto our pool deck is water in a plastic bottle. Under no circumstances are glass containers allowed. Similarly, we do not allow food of any kind on the pool desk. Steam and sauna. Even with lower maintenance models, saunas and steam rooms still require some daily cleaning and staff to ensure that everything is in proper condition. Not only does having one unisex steam room or sauna instead of separate amenities cut maintenance cost and reduce the amount of staff time required to supervise the areas. Having the facilities on the pool deck gets them out in the open. In addition to watching over the pool, lifeguards are now finding care of the steam room or sauna added to their rotation schedule.
A hotel health club cleanliness can play a vital role in its operational success. Cleanliness of hotel health club can be the most powerful tool in maximizing the numbers, satisfaction and average revenue per member in hotel health club. So today we have learned about the cleaning procedure of gym, health club, swimming pool, steam and sauna. Next time we meet, we will be exploring about pest control significance and its meaning. Keep learning, keep growing. See you next time.